Hello, YouTube. Jim Baker here. I wanted to follow up the last video I made about trading and talk a little bit more about it as to why non-residents can buy and sell stocks without paying taxes in the United States. And it's really clearly written, and there's no disputing it here. And it's really great. So we went over how you should structure your company to avoid the estate taxes, but what we need to watch out now is like the income taxes. And it's not really a thing to watch out for. I'm just showing you in the code why you don't have to pay taxes on it. So it's pretty clear. We have code section 864, definitions and special rules. So I talk about this a lot because it comes down to if you're not doing business in the United States, then you don't have to pay taxes in the United States. So I talk about this a lot, and this is one of the code sections I reference to, and I want to go into about just trading. Okay, so trade or business within the United States. For purpose of part two, chapter three, term trade or business within the United States includes performance of personal services within the United States at any time within the taxable year, but does not include any of these things down here. So performing of personal services for a foreign employer doesn't matter. Trading in securities or commodities, stocks and securities. Trading in stocks or securities through a resident broker, commission agent, custodian, or other independent agent, and also trading the taxpayer's own account. So trading in stocks or securities for the taxpayer's own account, whether by the taxpayer or his employees through a resident broker or other agent, whether or not such employee has discretionary authority to make decisions or not. This clause shall not apply in the case of a dealer in stock securities, but these are for traders. So it's really clear. It says it right here. You do not have a trade or business within the United States if you are just trading stocks or securities online or even with a broker. So that's pretty it. It's the same with commodities too. Commodities are the same thing. There's a limitation. Subparagraphs A1 and B1 shall apply only if at no time during the year the taxpayer has an office or other fixed place of business in the United States through which or by the direction of which transactions or in commodities or case may be are affected. So as long as you're a non-resident, you don't have an office in the United States, your trading is not a U.S. trade or business. Therefore, you don't have to pay taxes on the income you generate. There is, however, as we always mention, dividends are U.S. source income because they're U.S. payments from a U.S. company, and those are subject to withholding. But most traders aren't receiving dividends. You're just buying and selling stocks each day and generating gains like that through your portfolio. So it's a little tricky to um, report the things depending on how you report it and everything. But from a tax perspective, you don't have to pay taxes on this income. It's not subject to income tax, and it's clearly stated right here. It's not U.S. source income, and you don't live in the U.S., so you wouldn't pay taxes on it. The one thing we did mention the other day is about the estate taxes, and that's always something that you need to keep an eye out for. If you're trading in your personal account, U.S. stocks are subject to estate taxes. So I mentioned that in my other video. There's certain ways to get out of that and not be subject to estate taxes, like using a partnership or using a foreign corporations and using different things like that. But getting that all to work with your broker and then reporting and filing your taxes the right way every year are very important. So if you have any questions about that, or you are trading and you want to know how to do it better, or how to set up your company, or how to avoid estate taxes, or to confirm that you're doing it right, or basically anything about trading that you don't understand, you can comment below and I'll respond, or you can even better schedule a call with me. I'll be happy to talk to you about it and research it a little bit so we can put it out here on the channel. Or if you want me to help you set up a company and do stuff like that, that's actually what we do, and that's like our bread and butter here at Mata & Baker. So I hope this video is helpful. Please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you found it useful. And I'll keep putting out videos like this because I know they're helpful and they're really important. Okay. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.